Every hyper-real doll begins with a perfect mix of silicone and pigments.
Every head is checked before moving to the critical detailing stages.
Components are carefully transported to the assembly zone, ready for precision work. Limbs are prepped to match the head's tone and size flawlessly.
Every head is cleaned meticulously to remove traces from molding. Limbs are washed and scrutinized for perfect skin texture.
Trial fitting confirms that every joint moves naturally and fits perfectly.
With main assembly complete, dolls move to secondary finishing and automation checks.
Each doll's skin is polished to perfection, enhancing natural appearance. Accessories are secured, ensuring they stay perfectly in place.